We have so much slangs in Nigeria that if you don't know how to say it in Ohafia dialect, you are missing out. Here are some of those words. There is God though. Hey, Chi noya. Chineke noya oh. There is God though. Abeg, biko. For real? Ikezi. You mean Ikezi. That is how we say it in Ohafia dialect. Really? Ezioku. Lie. Lie. Imama. Inoha. For where? Olibe. Abeg yarn me. Biko Kairim. No dey whine me oh. Memepukwam. No whine me. Ba memepu. No whine me oh. Ba memepu oh. You dey whine me? Ijime play. Ijime memeriga. That is how we say those things. Super funny. I'm trying to be serious here, you know. Abeg, leave that thing. Very sarcastic. If you understand Ohafia, you understand how it feels when they tell you this kind of words. Somebody is yarning you gist and the person is yarning dust. Not be only. Ohafia will say what? It seems silagi. Yes, that is how we say it. It seems silagi. Wait till you say make I talk. I said what I said. Ohafia will say what? Akaim FM Kai. Do your worst. Akaim FM Kai. Follow who no road. In Ohafia, we will say Soronye Mozo. Soronye Manozo. Carry your wahala they go. Abeg. Carry your wahala they go. Ohafia will say what? Buru wagela. Buru wagi gaje. That is how we will say Buru wagi gaje. Carry your wahala and go. I hope I'm being dramatic enough. In fact, they will even go extra and they will say Nsobu wahala. Somebody is giving you a cock and bull story. How do we say it? Story. Ohafia will say, akeko. And then you don't do something to somebody. They tell you say you never see anything. You just they start. You don't know me. It is well. Oh. Ohafia will say what? All the ma. All the lemma. Remember, follow who no road. Follow learn Ohafia Igbo to learn more Ohafia this 2020.